Appreciate the opportunity to be here this morning to introduce a constituent of mine, an outstanding Kentuckian, for confirmation to our nation's judiciary. We'd be hard-pressed to find a more diligent and dedicated public servant than our nominee, Judge David Tapp, who's from Somerset, Kentucky. He's going to serve on the U.S. Court of Federal Claims. Judge Tapp's long and impressive resume shows a sincere commitment to law enforcement and the rule of law at all levels. It also reveals someone who is always ready to roll up his sleeves and get to work. Let me explain what I mean. During his undergraduate studies at Morehead State University in our state, David was also working at the campus police department. He was a full-time law enforcement officer while studying for his master's degree. And when David chose to trade in his badge for the bar and entered the University of Louisville's law school, he also joined the U.S. Attorney's Office and worked as a legal technician aiding the prosecution of financial crimes. So as you can see, he likes to keep himself busy. A law degree in hand, David's commitment to public service took him to rural Kentucky as an assistant attorney, a Commonwealth's attorney. He prosecuted violent criminal offenses and over the following years tried cases in both state and federal courts. In 2005, David took a new oath, this time as a district judge in Kentucky. He became a strong voice for innovation on the bench. For example, to prevent the problem of recidivism, he developed the first private probation initiative in that region of our state. Only months after joining the bench and in recognition of his success, Kentucky's governor appointed David to be a circuit judge. The new job came with new responsibilities, including hearing felony cases. David would also go on to receive national acclaim for his pioneering efforts as a volunteer drug court judge. In combating the harrowing epidemic of substance abuse in our state, he successfully implemented Kentucky's first judicial program for medically assisted treatment. As a result, David's courtroom became a case study for the promotion of long-term recovery. He certainly earned the respect and gratitude of his colleagues who selected David to supervise judicial trainings and to serve on Kentucky's Criminal Justice Policy Assessment Council. And in 2017, I appointed David to the National Coordinating Council on Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention. There, he collaborated with members of the President's Cabinet and other leaders to develop recommendations to keep young people on the right track. A Kentucky newspaper editorialized that the judge has, quote, given his heart and soul to Pulaski County. Now David is ready to bring his tireless work to benefit our entire country on the Court of Federal Claims. With a distinguished career in the courtroom on a wide breadth of issues and cases, David is well equipped to take on this new challenge. I'm confident that with the support from his wife, Debbie, and their daughters who are with us today, he'll thrive in the job. So, Chairman Graham and Senator Feinstein, thank you so much for the opportunity to come by and say a few words about my friend David Tapp.
Thank you very much, Senator McConnell.